Now we have another concept which is called aggregation. Aggregation means just like your aggregate marks. You know about your aggregate means majmua. You know, collection. So what is aggregation? A relationship between entities where one represent the whole and other the part, usually represent in the form of has a or is a part of it, right? So it means that one is a parent, another is a child kind of thing, or it is like a part of juz. Okay, so for example, now see over here, so branch has a staff, okay, and staff has a property for rent over there, right? So these are like what, there is a relation aggregation over there. So when we have this kind of thing like has or is a part of it, we call as aggregation. So a relationship between entities type where one represents the whole while other is a part. Okay, so now branch has a is a kul, okay, and he has it has a staff over
Staff.
here. Now staff is a kul here, in this case staff is a kul, and
Property for rent.
property for rent
Part.
is a juz. Okay, so it's a
Yes.
part of it, right? Is it clear?
Yeah.
And also here branch, okay, so see offers property for rent also there, right? So how we represent the aggregation? With this diamond sign, with empty diamond sign, see, so we represent this with the empty diamond sign, right? So it means that this is a kul for, this is the whole for this thing and this thing as well, right? But as a part time, it is also like a working as a juice for it. So now here this thing is a representation for aggregation.